Good day, guys. So it's the 2nd of January, and I'm so sad because my A7C, which I use for vlogging, is not working. Like, the touchscreen is not working. I'm having it ready for repairs again. This is the third time it's going on repair. The first time was it was just broken. It was like what was broken? The shutter button. It was a shutter lag on it, so I had to send it for repairs. And then when they get it back from repairs, the grip had something like a bulging thing, so they had to replace the wrap on the grip because they messed up the grip. That was the second time I had it fixed. The third time is this time because the thing is the touchscreen is not working. So that specific A7C is giving me problems, unlike the first one that I had. I got that one used from Amazon, and yeah. In saying that, I need to send it to repairs on what day? Wednesday? So, yeah. Anyway, I'm heading to Knox again to get a massage because I'm having a bad neck and everything, and I need a massage right now. So, yeah, let's go. Yeah, today is so warm. I reckon it's around 36 degrees or something. Yeah, it's really bright and warm. Yeah. I don't want to do anything. I need to edit. I need to finish my backlogs and get it done and over with. At the same time, also, I have some previous vlogs that I need to upload, so I'm just gonna upload them anytime soon. I'll start editing them and clearing them out because, yeah, bagong buhay, like doing new things for this year, and there's a lot of them. Okay, gotta stop here first and check the guitar shop. You see, these parts of the car, I call them the car black hole, or like the car Bermuda Triangle. As you can see, there's a lot of things that falls in there, and I hate it when dirt goes in there. Like, yeah, I hate it when things go in there and I need to clean them, like dirt and everything else. So annoying. So I'm heading towards that. That's Casey's rock shop, and yeah, there's a lot of guitars there and everything, and I'm gonna try to check for a microphone stand or something. Yep. Yeah, today is definitely one of the warmest days. It's going around 34 degrees on my car temperature. Yeah, just came from Casey's rock shop and just checked some guitars, and I love the Maton EM6, the small guitar. Yeah, nice. There you go. It's 35 degrees today, and it's so hot. So hot. Oop, I just blurred it. Oh, there you go. Day 2's just gonna be made with all these rough vlogs wherein I just talk and blabber a lot. But day 2 is gonna be posted for day 3, like January 3, because you have to edit it at night and everything. Why am I explaining? I just realized one thing. I really love driving. Like when we travel, I love to drive. And I was wondering why do I love driving? What is it in driving that I want? And some people are stressed with driving, and some people dread driving because yeah, it's a lot of work. It stresses them, especially with traffic and everything else. And I just realized now that when I started driving, it meant some kind of an added freedom for me to go around, like to go anywhere I want. And I was driving slow down, like I feel so free driving. So that could be the reason why I love driving. So when we travel, I don't care if we drive that long, that long travel. I can't think, but yeah, I love driving. I really do. So that could be it, because it reminds me, or it signifies like a somewhat of a more freedom to go anywhere, everywhere, whatever. That's just me thinking. Also, if you have reached this far in the vlog, it means that you're listening to me blabbering. I didn't need to warn you, this is a blabber vlog, so if you're bored and anything, feel free to look for other vlogs. But this is just me blabbering, so yeah. If you think that we're going nowhere with this vlog, yes, we're not going nowhere. We're going nowhere. We're going nowhere. I can't even speak straight. Ooh, R8. Look at that. Howdy. Alright. Nice. There you go. Love parking here at Knox Westfield, but they've made a lot of changes in the parking lot that it gets confusing. That used to be a parking spot there, and now it's a maze. It's a big maze that gets crazy, gets confusing. It's to park those area there, that area there, that area there, and yeah, now I can't. It's annoying, and that one there is like reserved. So yeah, people passing by. Okay, massage time. Yeah, heading there. So just came from a Filipino Asian grocery store, and yeah, met some people there, had fun. Yeah. Just came over here and just realized that they're closed for today. So on to the next shop. Yep. Alam station. It's been a while been here, and it looked different because it's been years since I've been here. Oh yes, we're heading there. Nice. So I finally found what I've been looking for. It's like a song. But yeah, I finally found iba, or they call it kumyas in Tagalog, or was it cucumber tree? I don't know. Yeah, so I got it from Kuya J's store, and I've been to a lot of stores, like 4, 5, or 6 stores before I found it. I was on my last store, like yeah, this is the last store I'm gonna go, and then I was giving up when I got there, and there were heaps, so I just got to run 5 packs. 5 packs is gonna be enough. It's gonna be gone quickly, but just got 5, and I'm heading home right now. So yeah, let's go. I was supposed to film a lot of things, but I didn't film the place. I didn't film me getting it. I just have my phone video me getting the stuff, and I have other stuff bought also. Damn it, that's what you do when you're looking for pillow food. You see other stuff and you try to buy them. Like for me, I've been to 5 or 6 stores. I stopped counting. Yeah, so around 30 minutes heading home. I gotta go. Yeah, it's been a long day. Didn't film anything much, but it is what it is. Anyway, yeah. See you tomorrow, guys. I think I'm gonna cut the vlog here. Nothing much interesting. I don't know. It's okay. So yeah, I'm like 2 corners away from home, and I might end the vlog here. See you tomorrow for another crazy nonsense vlog from me. Okay. It's about to edit the vlog, and then we ate this banana chips. It's good. So yeah, after buying a lot of things from the filo shop, is one of the good buys for today. Okay, just gotta start editing now.